All right, welcome. This is week 17's homework solution here. We have Wednesday, December 12th, the 4th, 2019. You have three questions. The first one says, match each graph with the best description of the representation of the data set. Okay, here you just have to know the words. Okay, but please understand that in our class, we call it something a little bit different. So I'm just going to write it. Negative association, we sometimes see that as negative relationship. Okay. No, let's make that smaller. No association, we would see that as no relationship. And positive association, we could call that a positive relationship. Okay. All right. So let's just graph it. Okay. I'm just gonna match it up. Which one has a negative? So just think about the line that it makes. Okay. So here it looks like it's going up, positive. Here it looks like it's going whoop down. And here it looks like it's wow, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. So which one has a negative relationship? We would say this one does. Okay. We would say this one has a negative relationship. Well, let me move this. So we would say this has a negative relationship because it's going down. Okay. So it has a negative relationship. Now A looks like it's positive, so it's going up. So we would say it has a positive association or a positive relationship. And this one, there's no pattern. So we would say there's no association or no relationship. Okay. This is the reason why you have to understand your slopes, a positive slope, negative slope, because it actually tells you about the relationship and the associations. Okay, the scatter plot here shows the same data set, which scatter plot correctly shows a line of best fit. Remember, you have to look at the definition of what the line of best fit is. Okay, so I just want to write it down for you so you can understand it, or if you don't remember from your notes. Line of best fit. What is the line of best fit? The line of best fit is referred to as the line that cross uh, that cross the most points, or you could say it is the line that is closest to all the data points on the scatter plot. Okay, it's close. Okay, all right. So watch, this one makes no sense. This one doesn't even cross any of them. So this one's off. This one's wrong. Okay. What about this one? Um, I could make it better. Oh, that's interesting. Look, that's an interesting one. What about this one? Ooh, that's interesting to play with. Okay. Um, what about this? Oh, that's cool too. Ooh, wow, this looks like real paint. Wow, that's cool. So this is bad. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry. Um, this is very interesting. If we continue this line right here, I'm just gonna continue the line a little bit further, and here I'm gonna extend the line a little bit further. Okay, to see which one crosses. Do you see here? It touches more points, but here, do you see how there's these 3 points that don't touch it, and here doesn't touch? We would say that C would have the line of best fit. So which one has the line of best fit? We would say it would be C would have the line of best fit because the line is closest to all the data points on the scatter plot. Okay, good. Using the data above, In the ice cream versus temperature, do we have, yep, ice cream versus temperature. Scatter plot above. Determine the exact total ice cream sales when the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Explain your answer. So we are going to ignore this one. We're going to ignore this one. So I'm just going to just take it out, right? Because they're useless. And we're only going to look at the correct one. Right? So which one has 21 degrees Celsius? So let's just take a look. 21 looks like it's right here. Goes up there. And it crosses right there. So I would say it is roughly, or we can say it's around, or we could say it's about, approximately, right? About what, 400, maybe higher. It has to be higher. 450? No, it's higher. Probably 480? Yeah, around 480 ice cream sales. Okay, remember you have to use the word about or approximate or roughly because you're estimating here. There's no exact answer. Okay, so there you go. Those are all your answers. Make sure you use C because that is the correct one. The other ones had bad lines of best fit. Okay, all right. So there you go. This is your homework solution for Wednesday, December 4th.